All right, good morning, students. Today we're going to be reading a new chapter in English called Unbeatable Supermom, Mary Kom. All right, we all know about Mary Kom. She's an Indian boxer, first women boxer to win a medal in the Olympics. All right, so let's read the introductory paragraph about her. All right, हम ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ेंगे. I will be reading only part of the chapter, students, and you will be reading the rest on your own. All right, you will have to use Google, you'll have to use a dictionary if you want to find the meaning of words. Self monitoring strategy use के words के meaning ढूंढना शुरू करो. All right, once you start reading on your own, I will be reading the first part. So without any more time being wasted, let's begin. Now, if there's one successful story, there had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports. Survive का मतलब है अगर Indians को sports में अपना skill दिखाना था या बचना था, alright, then there had to be one successful story and we have that now, alright. पहले इंडिया में ज़्यादा स्पोर्ट्स पे फोकस नहीं होता था, alright, and there were not many sportsmen at that time who could say कि अच्छा they have won a medal in the Olympics, but that changed, alright. Enough has been said about this great warrior who had conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Magdalene Kom. राइट, कॉन्कर्ड का मतलब क्या? कॉन्कर्ड द वर्ल्ड, पूरी दुनिया को उसने दिखा दिया कि अच्छा आई एम केपेबल ऑफ समथिंग. कॉन्कर्ड यानी कैप्चर्ड देयर अटेंशन इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट. नाउ दिस वॉरियर इज नन अदर देन मैरी मैग्डलेन कॉम, द कॉन्करर एंड द कॉमरेड. ऑलराइट, अभी कॉन्करर पे उसके नाम का के डाल दिया, सो इट साउंड्स लाइक द सेम वर्ड बट इट्स एक्चुअली अ टाइटल गिवन टू अ conqueror and comrade. All right, comrade yani someone who is a brother or someone who is a sister. She is famed as 5 times world boxing champion and is the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. All right, she is a 5-time world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. 6 championship में से she had already won 5. All right. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. 2012 Olympics में she was the first Indian woman boxer. She was the first Indian woman boxer to qualify, यानी वो उस जगह तक पहुंची. She was selected. All right, qualify यानी select हो जाना, and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. Alright, 51 kg flyweight category of boxing क्या है? 51 kg का जो limit है. Now even in boxing there are weight classes. Alright, there's lightweight boxing, there's heavyweight boxing, there's middleweight boxing. Now flyweight is just a little bit below lightweight. Alright, or it is almost as equal to lightweight boxing. Now Kom was born in Kangthai village, Moirang Lamkhai in Churachandrapur district of rural Manipur. Alright, where was she born? In the Kangthai village of rural Manipur. Alright, in eastern India. Alright, northeast India में है ये. She came from a poor family. Her parents, Mangte Tonpa Kom, important name, marking it, and Mangte Akham Kom. Alright, Tonpa Kom was a mother, Mangte Akham Kom was a father, and they were tenant farmers. Alright, tenant farmers यानी जो रेंट पे रहते थे. Alright, यानी किराए पे रहने वाले फार्मर्स हैं. वर्क इन झूम फील्ड्स का मतलब क्या है? झूम मतलब शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन. ऑलराइट, जिस फार्म पे एक क्रॉप नहीं उगता, अलग अलग क्रॉप्स उगते हैं. ऑलराइट, नाउ कॉम ग्रो अप इन हम्बल सराउंडिंग. हम्बल का मतलब क्या है? सिंपल. ऑलराइट, सराउंडिंग अभी समझो वो लोग एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही रूरल विलेज में रहते हैं. सो हाउ विल द सिचुएशन बी देयर? इट्स वेरी सिंपल. Helping her parents with farm related chores, going to school, learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Chores का मतलब क्या? अभी चोर का मतलब ये हिंदी वाला चोर नहीं, someone who is stealing, लेकिन farm related chores का मतलब है duties or work. Alright, and at that time she was going to school and she was in the athletics team and also learning boxing. So she was a very talented person. Alright, now her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. Her father was a very keen wrestler, yani he was a very interested wrestler, a very hard working wrestler in his young age. ठीक है, She had an eager interest in athletics, since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri who returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal, Com recollects, had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too had thought of giving it a try. Alright? अभी मैरी कॉम का इंटरेस्ट कैसे आया बॉक्सिंग में? पहले एथलेटिक्स में था, वो चाइल्डहुड से था उसके इंटरेस्ट एथलेटिक्स में, लेकिन द सक्सेस ऑफ डिंको सिंह वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन, अ फेलो मणिपुरी, मणिपुर से आया हुआ एक दूसरा इंसान था, who had returned from the 1998 बैंकॉक एशियन गेम्स जो बैंकॉक में होल्ड किया गया 1988 में, उधर से डिंको सिंह नाम का मणिपुरी लौट आया था, एंड ही हैड वन अ गोल्ड मेडल. ऑलराइट, एंड उसकी वजह से बहुत सारे बच्चे जो थे मणिपुर में उस समय पे दे हैड गॉटन इंटरेस्टेड इन टेकिंग अप बॉक्सिंग एज अ sport. Alright, Mary Com's career started in 2000 after a victory in the Manipur State Boxing Championship, Manipur State Women Boxing Championship, and the regional championship in the West Bengal. Alright, उनका करियर कहाँ से शुरू हुआ मैरी कॉम का? 2000, इन द ईयर 2000 में, आफ्टर विनिंग द मणिपुर स्टेट वुमेन बॉक्सिंग चैंपियनशिप एंड आफ्टर विनिंग द रीजनल चैंपियनशिप इन वेस्ट बंगाल में के पूरे रीजन में शी हैड वन द बॉक्सिंग कॉम्पिटिशन. She started competing at international level. Right? She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut. Debut का मतलब क्या है? Debut का मतलब है the first time someone is performing. Alright? तो she made her international debut, यानी उसने internationally पहली बार perform किया at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. Alright? AIBA Women World Boxing Championship in the United States. और कहाँ पे उसने debut किया? इंटरनेशनली, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में पहली बार वो इंटरनेशनली गई थी, विनिंग अ सिल्वर मेडल इन द 48 kg वेट कैटेगरी. राइट, 48 kg के वेट कैटेगरी में शी वन अ सिल्वर मेडल. हर ग्रेटनेस इज रीइंफोर्स्ड बाय द वे शी अपोलोजाइज्ड टू द होल नेशन फॉर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू विन गोल्ड. At that point in time, even though she won silver, she apologized in the media in front of the entire country ki I'm sorry that I could not win gold. All right, so you can see her greatness was reinforced, यानी उसके greatness और भी strong बन गई. All right, she is a legend for sure and an idol for all sportswomen to look up to. She is a legend. Legend is someone, a person who has made a mark in history. All right, जिन्होंने history में एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया, बहुत बड़ा impact किया है. And an idol यानी a role model for all sports women to look up to. बहुत सारे women in the world है जो sports में हिस्सा लेते हैं, but she is one of those major Indian women जो सबके लिए role model बन चुकी है. Right? So students, I'm going to stop right here. You are going to read this interview with Mary Com. All right? 3 pages है. I want you to read this, and then at the end of reading, I want you to answer these questions. All right? So the first one is complete the following sentences. Right, and the second one is choose the correct alternative and underline it. Okay, these are the 2 questions I want you to answer in your notebooks. All right, after you finish reading, and then you will submit pictures or PDFs of this on Google Classroom. All right students, that brings us to the end of our lecture. Thank you so much for reading with me, and I hope you will read the textbook further, read it again and again, use the dictionary, use Google. ज़रूरत पड़े तो मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज भेजो, वॉइस नोट भेजो कि तुम्हें कोई पार्ट समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो. ऑलराइट, एंड आई विल हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लर्निंग एंड हैव अ नाइस डे ऑल ऑफ यू.